Today we are at the Saskatoon Farm Christmas Market. Now, apparently they have a lot of vendors, food, and also some other attractions. I believe they have outside fire pits with wood, and also horse sled rides. Although I'm not sure if they have them today or not, because it's pretty darn cold. As you can see, what a difference a week makes. But anyways, I've never been here, so let's go and check it out, and maybe we'll see what we think about this one. Now, when I say I've never been here, I've never been at the Saskatoon Saskatoon Christmas Market. Sorry about that. I've been, farmers market, and of course it's a garden center and a tree nursery as well. And they have other events on Thanksgiving. I think they may even have something Christmas functions. I'm not 100% sure, but anyways, let's go in, wander around, and see what we think of this one.
I also want to give you a quick overview of what you can expect as well to see in this video. Let's start with a short outside view before we go inside and check out some of the vendors that sell different items such as crafts, food, and all kinds of other merchandise. Then we move on to Santa's workshop to look at all the holiday goblins. Admire a little bit the village setup that looks like something from a Hallmark card with the fresh snow we just got. We will even check out the couple turtles that call this place home. And no, I'm not talking about the chocolate kind at this time of year. They are real live ones. Towards the end of the video, I have another highlight, as I am observing a very talented artist that makes sketches of people's faces. Looks very good to me, and yes, I am curious to know what your thoughts are. So let's get into this. Well, I made it inside. We're going to walk around a bit, and to be honest, it's a nice little break from the cold. It's well in the minuses outside.
Smell the soap all the way over here, huh?
Here I stumbled across Mr. and Mrs. Claus.
They should hire her. Well, she's hired, but for more than just, yeah.
As you can see here, these are all greenhouses, so in the spring and summer They're filled with flowers and plants and vegetables, I guess, little seedlings you can buy. And in the winter, at this time of year, they are converted into a holiday market. I've been to a couple markets this holiday season, and I think this one is a pretty good one. So if you live in the area, I certainly can recommend to drop by at this one.
Yeah, I know it's much warmer.
And some of these views outside here with the fresh snow is what I mentioned, reminds me a little bit on a Hallmark card, or even perhaps one of these Christmas small town movies. And I'm on the way to Santa's workshop and to check out some of these holiday goblins. I think you can also buy individual pine tree branches and other accessories and craft your own design, but let's have a look at them. I thought they were actually pretty cool. So, did you pick your favorite goblin? Maybe the one with the purple hair there? Or do you have anything else that stood out to you?
If you need a Christmas tree, they are right in here.
Now, if you haven't mailed your letter to Santa yet, it's probably high time to do so. Time is running out here pretty quick. Here we got the famous Nutcracker. The area I'm in right now, by the way, is open year-round with baked goods. It has a store as well, and you buy jams and other crafted goods, whereas the greenhouses is kind of a temporary setup for the season. In the main buildings here in the store, it's a year-round setup. Well, not for gingerman bread, but for other stuff. And here we have a quick peek into the restaurant on site. Gonna come up at the turtles I mentioned here at the beginning of the video, so let's have a quick look at them.
It's looking right at me. Looks nice.
And now I'm at the artist here, which I think is quite talented. We're going to spend a little bit of time here just watching how they sketch or drawings, or I don't know what you even call it. I guess progresses here. But I think she's pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you will see me again next week in another adventure. Till then, stay safe and be well.